Bonjour à toutes, bonjour à tous, hello, don't worry, this is in English. My name is Claire Finborough-Deligiani and I am a professor in the Department of Theatre and Performance at Goldsmiths, University of London, and I am also the editor of a new history of theatre in France. When Cambridge University Press invited me to edit this book, it was inconceivable for me to embark on this project without collaborating with a co-editor from France, and I was really delighted that Christian Biet, who was a leading theatre historian, agreed to co-edit the book with me. Very sadly, Christian passed away suddenly in 2020, 4 years before completion of the project, but not before the two of us were able to co-curate a really stellar grouping of contributors, many of whom can be read for the first time in English in this book, in what I might add are really excellent translations, and all of whom are leading specialists in their fields. So for those of you who are newcomers or students or teachers or maybe theatre makers, this book presents a really eye-popping array of theatre production from France going back to the Middle Ages. So medieval mystery plays and miracle plays and farces, and the theatre of blood that was produced during the wars of religion, moving through to the golden age of French theatre in the 17th century with neoclassical tragedies and comedies, and then more popular forms from the 18th and 19th centuries like melodrama and vaudeville and pantomime, and then the highly experimental avant-garde of the 20th century and 21st century, for example, sound poetry or installation art, and of course playwriting and theatre directing are treated throughout the book. For those of you who might be specialists, the book presents plenty of new knowledge and original contributions, and an important remit for all of the contributors was to retrieve more hidden histories of French theatre, so notably contributions made by women. So of course a huge colossus of French theatre like Racine from the neoclassical 17th century is treated in the book, but what about playwrights who were producing work around the same time like Françoise Pascal or Catherine Bernard? And of course important playwrights from the 20th century like Jean Genet, like Bernard-Marie Coltès are treated, or theatre directors from the 20th century like Gisèle Vienne. But what about those theatre makers from France's former colonies? So, for example, Kateb Yassine from Algeria, or Aimé Césaire, who you can see here from Martinique in the Caribbean. So this is the first history of theatre in France to be produced in 15 years, either in the UK or USA or indeed in France. And we have tried to change the terms of the debate by looking at these more marginalised histories, and we really look forward to new histories of theatre in France that will take our commitment to telling these littler stories even further. So happy reading, bonne lecture.